So in today's video, we'll be looking at the loops or the iterating statements in C++. So here's an example for you. Let's just understand it by this example. Let's say you want to print, let's say you want to print cat, and you have to print it 3 times. Let's say 5 times. You are too hardworking. Cat, 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 and cat. Oh, okay. But let's say you have to print it 1,000 times, 10,000 times, 100,000 times, 1,000,000 times. Wow, it's gonna take a lot of time. You can do it manually for 10, 20, even 50, but that's not a programming thing. So what we can do is simply we can use loops. So let me define a for loop for that. So for, and then we initialize an index and let it be 0 at first. Okay, and now we'll need a condition that we'll apply on it. So that condition will be, as we need to print our cat 5 times, so till our index is less than 5. And also don't forget to increment the index, because it will iterate through the code as we increase it. Then the index value will increase from 0, and slowly when it reaches to 4, when it reaches to 5, it will no longer than smaller than 5. So it will terminate the loop, or we can say our loop will end. So what we'll do, we want to do cout, and we want to print our cat. Let's see the answer, and then let's just discuss about what the functionality had happened. So you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have printed 5 cats in just one printing command, one line of cat. Let's suppose we want to print it 10 times, so we can just replace it with 10. And now you see we got 10, we can do it for 100. Now you can see we got 100 cats. You see, in just seconds we are able to do this. 1,000, we can print 1,000 cats. So you see, this is 1,000 cats. In the same way we can print a million, a billion, any number you want. Okay, let's just be 5. So now let's just understand the flow of code, how it is being executed. First of all, we've initialized an index value to 0. Then we set a condition that index value is less than 5. So yes, it is less than 5 because it's 0. Then we also added an increment that will, each time the command execute, the increment will execute, and the value of index from 0 in the next iteration will become 1. So the loop will again check, is this condition true? Yes, this is true, so it will again increment it and run this. So this time it's 2, still true, so again it will increment it and run this. So again it will check, is 3 less than 5? Yes, it is true, so it will again increment the index and print the command. Again it will increment it by 4, so by 1, and sets to 4. So now it will check, is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is, so it will again increment it and run the following command. But now we will check, is this still less than 5? And we already know that 5 is by any mean can never be less than 5, it's always equal to 5. So this time it won't run because this statement is false, so it just breaks and returns 0. Simple. I think you got the idea. Let's see if we print index. So you can clearly see the values of index changing from 0 to 4. Okay. You can see, so first it's 0, then it incremented to 1, then it incremented to 2, 3 and 4. You see, not 5. Although it has been incremented to 5, but it doesn't print it because the condition isn't true. And if you print it equals to, now it will print 5 also, you see. So this is the very basics of for loop. In the same way, we also have another kind of loop, that is while loop, and two more loops. We have do while loops and a do each loop. Not do each, yeah, it's for each loop. So let's just see those also. So while, okay, so we need a condition for this while loop. So let's just add some more attributes. Let's say we have in age, and let's set it equals to 18. Perfect. Now here we check age is greater than or equals to 18. We'll just simply cout. Oops. Cout. So what we'll cout? We just let me just show you. So we'll print that you can cast vote. Alright, it means our age is greater than 18 or equals to 18, then we can cast the vote. And also expectation. Oh yeah, this should be like this, and we'll break it because, okay, remove this and you will understand why I'm trying to break it in the middle. So if we run this, first of all, let's check, is our condition true? Yes, it is true. So what does it mean? You just read it and you will get its technicality. So while this condition is true, yeah, it is true, so it's always true, so it means it will always print this. So it's kind of endless loop. You can see it won't stop, it won't terminate, and for that matter we have to terminate a proof like this. And I think my machine crashes. It take time. Okay. Yeah. Right, hooray. Ooh. I have to restart it. Oh. Okay, so you see why I have put this break. Now if I run this, it will run only one time. So you see, only one time. Perfect. But what we can do is we can instead decrease the age. Perfect. Decrement it at every step. Now if I run this, yeah, there you go. You see? Because after one iteration, it decreased its value from 18 to 17. So this statement is no longer true, hence it wouldn't run the preceding code. So I think you got the idea of while loop. Now let me introduce you to do while loop. Do while loop is just same of like this. So just shift this command and change it to do and shift it to right here, and it all good. Yeah, I expected this. Yeah, now if we run this, you see, same thing, just nothing. We just saying do this thing while this condition is true, so just equal, just name changing. Okay, I think you got the idea of while loop and do while loop. So in this video, I think this is pretty much it, because these are the most common loop statements. The important question from these are the pattern questions, which I will be covering, but not in this video, in some other upcoming videos. So till then, stay tuned, do subscribe, like, share, and enjoy learning.